Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Sakshi of Class 6 Vivekanand. Today we are going to read a new chapter, Chapter 5, Prime Time. Chapter 5, Prime Time. 5.1 Common multiples and common factors. Idli Vada game. Children sit in a circle and play a game of numbers. One of the children starts by saying 1. The second player says 2. And so on. But when it is the turn of 3, 6, 9, so on. Multiples of 3. The player should say idli. Instead of the number. When it is the turn of 5. 10, so on. Multiples of 5. The player should say vada. Instead of the number. When a number is both a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 5. The player should say idli vada. If a player makes any mistake, they are out. The game continues in rounds till only one person remains. For which numbers should the player say idli? Instead of the saying the number, these would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, so on. And so on. For which numbers should the player say vada? These would be 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Which is the first number for? Which the player should say idli vada? It is 15. Which is a multiple of 3? And also a multiple of 5. Find out other such numbers that are multiples of both 3 and 5. These numbers are called blank. Figure it out. 1. At what number is idli vada? Say it for the 10th time. 2. If the game is played for the numbers 1 to 90, find out. A. How many times would the children say idli? Including the times they say idli vada. B. How many times would the children say vada? Including the times they say idli vada. C. How many times would the children say idli vada? 3. What if the game was played till 900? figures change?
How would your answer change?
4. Is this figure
Is this figure
somehow related to the Idli Vada game?
somehow related to the figure?
Hint.
Hint.
Imagine playing the game till 30.
Imagine playing the game till 30.
Draw the figure if the game is played till 60.
Draw the figure if the game is played till 60.
Multiples of 3.
Multiples of 3.
18,
18.
30,
30.
15,
15.
27,
27.
12,
12.
9,
9.
3,
3.
21,
21.
24.
24.
Multiples of 5.
Multiples of 5.
10,
10.
5,
5.
25,
25.
20.
20.
Common multiples of 3 and 5.
Common multiples of 3 and 5.
Let us now play the Idli Vada game
Let us now play the Idli Vada game
with different pairs of numbers.
with different pairs of numbers.
A,
8,
2 and 5.
2 and 5.
B,
B,
3 and 7.
3 and 7.
6.
6.
C,
C,
4 and 6.
4 and 6.
We will say
We will say
Idli for multiples of the smaller number,
Idli for multiples of the smaller number,
Vada for multiples of the larger number,
Vada for multiples of the larger number,
and Idli Vada for common multiples.
and Idli Vada for common multiples.
Draw a figure similar to figure 5.1
Draw a figure similar to figure 5.1
if the game is played up to 60.
if the game played up to 60.
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
we played this game with 2 numbers.
we played this game with 2 numbers.
We ended up saying just Idli or Idli Vada.
We ended up saying just Idli or Idli Vada.
And nobody said just Vada.
And nobody said just Vada.
Oh,
Oh,
what could those numbers be?
what could those numbers be?
One of the numbers was 4.
One of the numbers was 4.
Which of the following could be the other number?
Which of the following will be the other number?
2,
2,
3,
3,
5,
5,
8,
8,
10.
10.
Jumpy and Grumpy play a game.
Jumpy and Grumpy play a game.
Grumpy places a treasure on some number.
Grumpy places a treasure on some numbers.
For example,
For example,
he may place it on 24.
he may place it on 24.
Jumpy chooses a jump size.
Jumpy chooses a jump size.
If he chooses 4,
If he chooses 4,
then he has to jump only on multiples of 4.
then he has jumped only on multiples of 4.
Starting at 0,
Starting at 0.
Jumpy gets the treasure
Jumpy gets the treasure
if he lands on the number
if he lands on the number
where Grumpy placed it.
where Grumpy placed it.
Which jump sizes will get
Which jump size will get?
Jumpy to land on 24?
Jumpy to land on 24.
If he chooses 4,
If he chooses 4,
Jumpy lands on 4,
Jumpy lands on 4,
8,
8,
12,
12,
16,
16,
20,
20,
24,
24,
28,
28,
so on.
so on.
Other successful jump sizes are 2,
Other successful jump sizes are 2,
3,
3,
6,
6,
8 and 12.
8 and 12.
What about the jump of sizes 1 and 24? Yes,
Yes,
they also will land on 24.
they also land on 24.
The numbers 1,
The numbers
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 6, 8, 12, 24 all divide 24 exactly. Recall that such numbers are called factors or divisors of 24. Grumpy increased the level of the game. Two treasures are kept on two different numbers. Jumpy has to choose a jump size and stick to it. Jumpy gets the treasures only if he lands on both the numbers with the chosen jump size. As before, Jumpy starts at 0. Grumpy has kept the treasures on 14 and 36. And Jumpy chooses a jump size of 7. Will Jumpy land on both the treasures? Starting from 0, he jumps to 7. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, so on. We see that he landed on 14. But did not land on 36. So he does not get the treasure. What jump size should he have chosen? The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. So, these jump sizes will land on 14. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These jump sizes will land on 36. So, the jump sizes of 1 or 2 will land on both 14 and 36. Notice that 1 and 2 are the common factors of 14 and 36. The jump sizes using which both the treasures can be reached are the common factors of the two numbers where the treasures are placed. What jump size can reach both 15 and 30? There are multiple jump sizes possible. Try to find them all. Look at the table below. What do you notice? In the table, 1. Is there anything common among the shaded numbers? 2. Is there anything common among the circled numbers? 3. Which numbers are both shaded and circled? What are these numbers called? Figure it out. 1, Find all multiples of 40 that lie between 310 and 410. 2. Who am I? A. I am a number less than 40. One of my factors is 7. The sum of my digits is 8. B. I am a number less than 100. Two of my factors are 3 and 5. One of my digits is 1 more than the other. 3. A number for which the sum of all its factors is equal to. Twist the number is called a perfect number. The number 28 is a perfect number. Its factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Their sum is 56, which is twist 28. Find a perfect number. Between 1 and 10. 4. Find the common factors of. A. 20 and 28. B. 35 and 50. C. 4, 8 and 12. D. 5, 15 and 25. 5. Find any three numbers that are multiples of 25 but not multiples of 50. 6. Ansu and his friends play the Idli Vada game with two numbers which are both smaller than 10. The first time anybody says Idli Vada is after the number 50. What could the two numbers be? Which are assigned Idli and Vada? 7. In the treasure hunting game, Grumpy has kept treasures on 28 and 70. What jump sizes will land on both the numbers? 8. In the diagram below, Guna has erased all the numbers except the common multiples. Find out what those numbers could be and fill in the missing numbers in the empty regions. Multiples of dash. Multiple of dash. Common multiples. 9. Find the smallest number. That is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10. Except for 7. 10. Find the smallest number. That is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10.